Good day to you. Because it's summertime in the UK, I thought I'd build a little mud kitchen for the grandson. Most of it's made out of the leftovers pallet wood from the bathroom floor. I made in pallet wood. And any other bits, there's a bit of teak there as well, and there's some cedar on the shelves in the inside. Rather than put a tap on it and waste a lot of water, I've put underneath that the water goes through the waste, and then you can just reuse it again afterwards. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up or subscription. It costs nothing, nout. Enjoy the video. We've got to try and make it grandson proof, and then it'll last a bit longer.
Slowly into the silent night, an endless fall, like cuts from 1,000 knives. I hear you call, but I'm still stumbling in the dark, a silent howl as I dissolve into your arms. I waited now, seduced by a sweet mirage. We could live or we could stay, steady state wide awake. I can't do this anymore, it's hurting like it never has before. We could live or we could stay, steady state wide awake.